AI 900. How many can you get right? Let's find out. Question. You are building a tool that will process images from retail stores and identify the products of competitors. The solution will use a custom model. Which Azure Cognitive Services service should you use? Option A. Custom Vision. Option B. Form Recognizer. Option C. Face. Option D. Computer Vision. The correct answer is A. Custom Vision. Explanation. Azure Custom Vision allows you to train custom image classification and object detection models tailored to your own images. Question. What are two metrics that you can use to evaluate a regression model? Option A. Coefficient of determination, R squared. Option B. F1 score. Option C. Root mean squared error, RMSE. Option D. Area under curve, AUC. Option E. Balanced accuracy. The correct answer is coefficient of determination, R squared, and root mean squared error, RMSE. Explanation. R squared measures how well the model explains the variance in the data, while RMSE measures the average prediction error for regression models. Question. Which type of machine learning should you use to identify groups of people who have similar purchasing habits? Option A. Classification. Option B. Regression. Option C. Clustering. Option D. Reinforcement learning. The correct answer is C. Clustering. Explanation. Clustering groups similar data points together without predefined labels. Question. Which model can be used to predict the sale price of auctioned items? Option A. Classification. Option B. Clustering. Option C. Regression. Option D. Anomaly detection. The correct answer is C. Regression. Explanation. Regression predicts continuous numeric values such as the selling price of auctioned items. Question. Which metric can you use to evaluate a classification model? Option A. True positive rate. Option B. Mean absolute error, MAE. Option C. Coefficient of determination, R squared. Option D. Root mean squared error, RMSE. The correct answer is A. True positive rate. Explanation. True positive rate, recall, is a common metric used to evaluate the performance of classification models. Question. Which two components can you drag onto a canvas in Azure Machine Learning Designer? Option A. Dataset. Option B. Compute. Option C. Pipeline. Option D. Module. The correct answer is dataset and module. Explanation. Azure Machine Learning Designer allows you to drag datasets and modules onto the design canvas to build machine learning pipelines. Question. You need to create a training dataset and validation dataset from an existing dataset. Which module in Azure Machine Learning Designer should you use? Option A. Select columns in dataset. Option B. Add rows. Option C. Split data. Option D. Join data. The correct answer is C. Split data. Explanation. The split data module divides a dataset into separate training and validation, testing datasets. Question. What is the calculated probability of a correct image classification? Option A. Accuracy. Option B. Confidence. Option C. Root mean squared error. Option D. Sentiment. The correct answer is B. Confidence. Explanation. Confidence is the probability score returned by an image classification model indicating how certain it is about its prediction. Question. Your company wants to build a recycling machine for bottles. The recycling machine must automatically identify bottles of the correct shape and reject all other items. Which type of AI workload should the company use? Option A. Anomaly detection. Option B. Conversational AI. Option C. Computer vision. Option D. Natural language processing. The correct answer is C. Computer vision. Explanation. Computer vision enables machines to analyze images and identify objects such as bottles. Question. In which two scenarios can you use the Form Recognizer service? Option A. Extract the invoice number from an invoice. Option B. Translate a form from French to English. Option C. Find an image of a product in a catalog. Option D. Identify the retailer from a receipt. The correct answer is extract the invoice number from an invoice and identify the retailer from a receipt. Explanation. Form Recognizer extracts structured information such as invoice numbers, receipt fields, and other key value pairs from documents. Question. You need to develop a mobile app for employees to scan and store their expenses while traveling. Which type of computer vision should you use? Option A. Semantic segmentation. Option B. Image classification. Option C. Object detection. Option D. Optical character recognition. OCR. The correct answer is D. Optical character recognition. OCR. Explanation. OCR extracts printed or handwritten text from receipts and other expense documents. Question. You are processing photos of runners in a race. You need to read the numbers on the runners' shirts to identify the runners in the photos. Which type of computer vision should you use? Option A. Facial recognition. Option B. Optical character recognition. OCR. Option C. Semantic segmentation. Option D. Object detection. The correct answer is B. Optical character recognition. OCR. Explanation. OCR extracts printed text, such as race bib numbers, from images. Question. You use drones to identify where weeds grow between rows of crops to send an instruction for the removal of the weeds. This is an example of which type of computer vision? Option A. Object detection. Option B. Optical character recognition. OCR. Option C. Scene segmentation. Option D. Image classification. The correct answer is A. Object detection. Explanation. Object detection identifies objects and their locations within an image by returning bounding boxes. Question. You need to determine the location of cars in an image so that you can estimate the distance between the cars. Which type of computer vision should you use? Option A. Optical character recognition. OCR. Option B. Object detection. Option C. Image classification. Option D. Face detection. The correct answer is B. Object detection. Explanation. Object detection locates objects within an image by returning bounding box coordinates. Question. What are two tasks that can be performed by using the computer vision service? Option A. Train a custom image classification model. Option B. Detect faces in an image. Option C. Recognize handwritten text. Option D. Translate the text in an image between languages. The correct answer is detect faces in an image and recognize handwritten text. Explanation. Computer vision can detect faces and perform OCR to recognize printed and handwritten text from images. Thanks for watching. Enjoyed the quiz? Subscribe for more and drop your score in the comments.